In America, we have DARPA. They have the Avatar Project. Look that up, the Avatar Project. I wrote about it in my book, where they transfer a soldier's consciousness into a field robot, and then the only thing that gets damaged is the robot blows up. The symbiotic link is disconnected through consciousness, but the soldier's obviously not going to die. And so this has all been done. This is real science being actively used right now. By 2045, which is the 2045 project in Russia, they're looking to transfer human consciousness into an actual being, an actual avatar body. You know, so they can take a skin cell from you, they can put it in a petri dish, they can get it under the right conditions, turn that skin cell into a stem cell, culture that, turn that into a group of stem cells, and then grow that into a full clone of yourself using your own stem cells, and then transfer your mind into your new body. And it's all in my book. It's all, this is real stuff, man. This
in Melbourne have made a major scientific breakthrough, one that raises serious ethical questions. Live to Patrick Murrell in Melbourne now. Pat, good morning. Researchers have been able to develop artificial human embryos.
Yeah, that's right, Pete. Good morning. This is a pretty incredible world-leading discovery. These scientists have managed to create an artificial human embryo without egg or sperm, but instead ordinary human skin cells that have been reprogrammed to imitate the first few days of life. The construct has been called an blastoid. The discovery was made on accident by researchers at the Polo Laboratory at Monash University here in Melbourne around the middle of last year, but further research was paused to give international scientific authorities time to evaluate the gravity of the discovery. The embryos have so far not been allowed to develop past 11 days for that exact reason, although the scientists say it is unlikely they would survive much longer than that if they were allowed to. It's hoped that this will pave the way down the track for further breakthroughs in the field of fertility treatments, because up until now, well, including now, because this research hasn't been adapted yet, that research did rely on embryos obtained through IVF, which is very difficult to get. This, though, does raise serious ethical questions about the status of these artificial embryos, what experiments can be ethically conducted on them, and whether down the track this may lead to full genetically engineered human embryos, potentially even human cloning.